In December, we crossed the border with a caravan and settled in San Felipe for a few days before continuing our almost 2-month adventure down the Baja Peninsula.
We're Rich and Robin.
And this is our midlife band.
After spending 10 nights in Concepcion outside Mulahey and Baja, we had a hard time leaving this beautiful campsite, but we look forward to heading south and seeing more of Baja.
Bye, camp.
We stayed a couple nights in Loreto, exploring the city center, doing some errands like filling our water tanks and getting some laundry done. The campsite was tight, but located a short walk to the main town square. In Loreto for a couple days, just ate at the local brewery, had some good fish, doing a little shopping. Gonna be here for a couple days and then head to La Paz. We spent a couple days in Loreto, camping a few blocks from the town square. Loreto was a cute little town, stayed a few blocks from the beach, got some more errands done there, laundry and such, water, and headed out. The drive headed south out of Loreto to La Paz is very scenic and took just over 4 hours. So we just went through a checkpoint outside of La Paz. That's our second checkpoint since we left Bahia Concepcion that it's just been waved us through. Not even a problem. Didn't even stop and ask where we were coming from or going to. I like these. Those are easy. So now we are headed south to La Paz. We're going to stock up on some more supplies. Hopefully go see some whale sharks. Our first Walmart in Baja, the supermercado. Here you go, Rich. Look at that beauty.
Look at her. Hour in Walmart, come out in a clean van. Cleanish.
Cleaner, much cleaner than she was.
She almost looks brand new, Robin.
some time exploring La Paz. The Malecon has many sculptures, and the surrounding streets had a lot of beautiful wall murals.
Hola. We're here in La Paz.
Oh, it's a beautiful city.
Spent the afternoon going up and down the Malecon and surrounding streets and found a bunch of street art. And then we had a little bit of food and cervezas at where?
Claros Fish Jr.
Very tasty food. Gonna head back to camp.
Yep.
And go see some whale sharks tomorrow.
Awesome. Beautiful day.
While in La Paz, we booked a whale shark snorkel tour. On our next video, we share this once-in-a-life experience.